Hello guys, it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a graduation look. So I decided for this bronzy eye makeup look. Actually, wala akong plano kung ano talaga yung gagawin ko. But when I saw the palette that I'm using, I just chose the colors in this and I come up with this eye makeup look. And so, ito na yung kinalabasan sa experiment ko today. So, it's a bronzy eye makeup look. And by the way, this video is in collaboration with my good friend here in YouTube. She's Noemi. It's Noemi, yung YouTube channel niya. I'm going to link her channel on the description box below. Kung gusto niyo ng mga pampaputi na tips or any pampaputi sa body parts nyo, kili-kili, sa singit, basically pampaputi, go check her channel out. My graduation look today can match any dress or any graduation toga that you have, mapuputi man or black kasi bronzy siya and then burnt orange. I think it looks glamorous and elegant at the same time. So yeah, if you wanna know how I did this look right here, then please keep on watching. Let's go!
First, I'm going to start with my primers from Benefit. First is this Professional just on my T-zone. And oo nga pala guys, pasensya na kung may pimples ako dyan. Pagka laki-laking pimples, tao lang po, sorry na po kung andyan siya buong video. And then next, I'm going to apply my Professional Matte Rescue on the entire face to keep me matte during the event or during the graduation kung atinan nyo, of course. And then I'm going to apply my foundation, favorite foundation as of the moment. This one is the Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum Foundation in the shade 52 Vanilla. And I'm going to, ano ba? Hindi ako makapagsalita. I'm applying that using my wet sponge. And then I'm applying my concealer. This is from ColourPop in shade number 20. And ayan, nakikita nyo naman sa video kung saan-saan ko siya nilalagay sa aking mukha. And then I just blend it again with my wet sponge. I set my concealers immediately after blending in the concealer to prevent it from creasing. And then I'm going to set my entire face using the Bourjois Healthy Mix Serum Powder. Ano ba? Serum? Wala pa yung serum. Powder lang pala. And this is also in the shade 52 Vanilla. For the brows, just do your regular eyebrow routine, guys, and follow the natural shape of your brows and you're good to go. And then I'm going to take my Shan XO, the Remix palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm taking that yellowy orangey shade and I'm using that as my transition shade, so I'm blending that on my crease. And to add warmth on our crease, I'm taking the reddish shade on the palette, and of course, I'm also going to blend that on the crease again. And for my lid color, I'm taking this bronzy eyeshadow just on the middle of the palette, and I'm applying that on my entire eyelids. This palette has two sides, guys, so I'm taking the other side and I'll be taking that brown eyeshadow and I'm putting that on my outer V. This step will add like smoky effect on the outer V, and then later I'm going to apply a darker brown eyeshadow. You will see that later. Para talaga smoky eyes na settle lang pero smoky. Ganun, parang ganun. Gets nyo ba, guys? So this step, I'm only layering the dark brown eyeshadow on top of that light brown eyeshadow. So this will be like para settle, and it's nice to start with less products than start with more products, diba? Then here, I'm taking a clean blending brush with no products on it, and I'm just blending out the edges para seamless talaga yung effect. And I'm adding the lid color again para mas opaque siya because the lid color get blended away. And I'm taking this cream matte eyeshadow and I'm putting that on my brow bone area. And I'm also going to use this eyeshadow to clean the corners of my eyes para seamless talaga yung effect niya. And for our lower lash line, I'm taking the colors that we put on our crease. So I'm just basically mimicking what we put on our crease and I'm putting that on my lower lash line. So yung two crease colors and then yung two dark colors just on the outer V. And for my face, I'm using my Becca Creasy palette and I'm taking that bronzer powder bronzing powder to bronze my face, to bring back life to my face. Of course, I've said that a million times already. And I'm also going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer to contour my nose, contour my cheekbones, and yung forehead kasi ang laki-laki ng aking forehead, and also my jaw to slim down my face. And I'm taking this blush powder on the palette and I'm applying that on my cheekbones towards my temples. This is how I always do my blush, guys. And then to highlight my face, I'm taking that 2 highlight powders. I'm just mixing it and I'm putting that on my nose and my cupid's bow and on the highest points of my cheekbones. Of course, don't forget to curl your lashes and apply your mascara. And then, of course, the inner corner highlights. Yung muta effect is very important, guys, so don't forget. And I'm using Mr. Bing. This is a maroon-ish, brownish eyeliner, and I'm going to use that to tightline my eyes and also on the waterline. You can use whatever eyeliners that you have, guys, as long as it's brown. And for my lips, actually, I'm having a hard time choosing what is the lip color that I'll be pairing my eyes with. But at the end, I settled with the Vice Cosmetics in the shade Girly. It's a burnt orange liquid lipstick. And for our last step, this step is important. This is to seal everything. I'm going to set it with my MAC Fix Plus and let it dry.
Well, ayan na guys, ang aking bronzy graduation look. I hope you like it. I changed my lip color. It's a burnt orange na liquid lipstick from Vice Cosmetics in the shade Girly. So, I think it looks better. And you know what? For your hair, syempre, dapat talaga kept yung hair nyo kasi may cap naman na ilalagay, diba? So, you can put your hair in a high ponytail or in a low ponytail. And pwede nyo din naman ilugay, like straighten your hair or curl your hair, okay din. Depende na yun sa inyo kung saan yung preferred nyo. And also, you can apply false lashes if you want. For me, I don't really like applying false lashes unless needed kasi it's uncomfortable for me. And I would suggest for your graduation dress, wag naman kayo magsuot na yung sexy na graduation dress na pwede na pang party. Yun namang formal na sexy na elegant tingnan. So that's it lang. Please don't forget to check sis Noemi's YouTube channel. I'm going to link it on the description box below. So please don't forget to check her out. And also if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you have any video suggestions. And of course, subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button if you want to be notified for my future videos. So that's it guys. I'll see you in my next video and thank you so much for watching. Bye!